consists of the Challenger and the Charger. We did this a while back when we both had second G.
They end up being a beast, my nigga. I know you heard about it. Play my song around. Any nigga I get heads by head tap game, but I ain't wanna kill my legs shot.
But you know, things have changed. So we're gonna start off with the Charger though.
Yeah. Back at it again, man.
What the fuck she doing, cuz?
Oh! Back at it again, man. Session red, live in the fit, you know what I'm saying? Ain't too much that really changed.
Stop the cap.
But I did a little change in here, you know. You know what I'm saying? Second gen 2012 Dodge Charger. You know, had to do the straight 8 bumper. You know what I'm saying? Then got the glossy black splitter. You know what I'm saying? They like my second or third splitter. I told myself, man, this shit fall off again. I'm not doing it. I'm not putting another one on this car, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? That too much money be going down the drain. You feel me? Save your money. But yo, we got these headlights. No mind my car kind of dirty, I know. But we got them headlights off Amazon. I forgot the name of them, but it is a common a common headlight for these gens right here. You know what I'm saying? They give like that newer model Charger look.
What's your old head tie?
Cut. Then we got the RGB grill badge. You know what I'm saying? I got that off TikTok shop. I got the headlights off Amazon. These right here. Look something I changed. I got the 5 spokes on them. 20 by 9.5 in the front. 20 by 10.5 in the back. I got 275 40s, 20s in the front. And I got 305, 35 20s in the back. And now we got the straight 8 bumper. I need to get another bumper. Hey, drop the clip what happened to my bumper when we going to H-Town.
Oh, baby, the clip right here, We can't have one successful road trip. This nigga bumper flew off me and highway. Like, I don't even know what kind of way he had to be secure, fam.
But yeah, man. Wow. But yeah, I gotta get a whole new bumper. You know what I'm saying? It don't look too bad, but same time, you know how it feel when you know what's wrong with your car, but others don't. You know what I'm saying? A little pet peeve with me. Then got the LED side markers. You know what I'm saying? And also we got the gap cam. You know what I'm saying? We add on. Oh yeah, Session 8 boards. You know what I'm saying? Session 8 board.
Hey, show them the video when I first got there. Show them 8s up and shit.
8s up. Also, I don't know if I had this on last time. I think I didn't. But we got the Fat Cat spoiler. A lot of people been asking me what these is, where I get this from. This is spoiler that made for this gen. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's 4 holes when you take the original spoiler off. And like when you put the newer model Charger spoiler on it, it only cover 2 of the holes and leave 2 holes open. But this one made for where it cover all holes. I got this on eBay. These usually run by like $250, $280. You know what I'm saying? I painted it black. And I add a wicker build on here. There's a regular wicker build that can go on a newer model Charger. You know what I'm saying? All the same thing. You know what I'm saying? Then we got the quad tilts. You know what I'm saying? That little dirty, don't mind it. Quad tilt with the quad tilt diffuser. And also got the real window spoiler. You know what I'm saying? They were about like $50 on eBay. Also got the lowering springs on here. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you can see it or not. Come on this side. Tail light tint, you know what I'm saying? I'm peeling off, but I'm gonna probably get it retinted, but I got that little kit out Amazon. I think they were like $15, $20. Then if you zoom in, I got the lowering springs on there. We see that little red it. Little lowering springs. You know what I'm saying? And we got the newer model Charger steering wheel with the SRT airbag in that thing. You know what I'm saying?
Starlights.
Yeah, then we got the pedal commander. We got some starlights in here too. I ain't got them on, but starlights in here too. Alright, hold on. Let me see if I turn on right quick. Lights in there too. You know what I'm saying? If y'all can see them. Got 550 count. Then I got the LED strips in the dash. You know what I'm saying? You really ain't gonna see them during daytime. Yeah, man, that's all to my build right now. You know what I'm saying? I got some more things coming forward. You know what I'm saying? My goal by the end of the year to have my looks down pat. And then after that, we going straight to performance-wise, you know what I'm saying? But yeah.
Alright, so yo, YouTube, man, I'm sure as y'all done seen my progress from when I bought the car. You got totaled, didn't it? I just saw though, y'all, this bitch is actually not that bad for real, y'all. Like, we just got some work that we gotta do. And I'm telling y'all, just stay tuned. To now, as y'all see, it came a long way. As y'all know, I bought it wrecked. So first thing, what we want to start with is let's start first thing. Okay. First thing, we're not gonna talk about the rebuild that I bought. We're gonna talk about mods. My bad. So I'm not gonna tell you about rebuild. We're gonna talk about mods. First mod that you can apparently see is a car wrap that can change up your car. You know what I'm saying? I got a full custom wrap. So just to get your wrap printed, it is $2,000. If you want to install, you'll spend like another $2,000. And design is $500. So if you want a full custom car wrap, you'll spend like almost $5 That nigga didn't do his exhaust, did it?
Yeah, he did his off.
He didn't let y'all hear. We're gonna make sure that y'all hear. I done did a lot of stuff in my car, just can't think of mods.
D right here for me, bullshit, bro. D right here.
We got carbon fiber door handles, carbon fiber mirror. Y'all, I honestly cannot tell y'all mods because this was a rebuild more than mods, to be honest. RGB grill light, you know what I'm saying? Got that from RVP Supply. In the inside we got some stars. They are currently not on right now. In the inside we got trim lights. As y'all know, I got videos all on my page of this stuff, so I highly suggest y'all to go down my page and look at this stuff. We got a wide body kit. If you got a Challenger and you got a Slim, you might as well go ahead and put you a wide body kit on there. We got shit, bro, what do we got? Okay, let's go back end. Okay, y'all. The back end, to make your back end look aggressive, we got a wicker bill. We got what we went with. Look, a diffuser. You know what I'm saying? Diffuser, $150. Wicker bill, $150. We got exhaust tips that I went with, $80. We got tail light covers. I think they were like $30. We got a gap cam. Your gap cam, $400. Your mount, $100. You know what I'm saying? We got the Section 8 boy sticker, man. You feel me? What else we got with? We on the carbon fiber fuel cap. Damn, y'all. Y'all, I promise there's more stuff done to this car. It was a rebuild car. If this car was down bad when I first got it, I cannot think of mods, really. I ain't got too deep in the mods.
You forgot some.
Black side markers. Get y'all some white, black side markers. Okay, and my car is drift tune. You know what I'm saying? We got drift tune on here by Eagle Performance. It's around $1,500. As you know, you gotta get your PCM unlocked, $300. If you want to go get flames, you got to cut your cats. Bypass cable as well. That's like $100. So yeah, and we also gonna let y'all see how the drift tune work, and it also got burbles to it. And he also got a flame tune on here, so we're gonna also let y'all hear his flame tune. Also had put a front splitter on here, but it fell off. Man, y'all, I promise y'all, bro.
Hey, show them the clip when the splitter was side on the highway.
I got some stuff in the inside, my bad. And the inside, we go carbon fiber, we go SRT airbag, we go carbon fiber dash.
You got stars.
The stars are not on, but they is on. My bad, y'all. To build car more than modded, as y'all can see when I first got the car. And y'all go tune into the video when I first got the car, see how far this car has came. But yeah, man, as y'all probably want to see, let's hear the exhaust and let's get to the drifting. And as y'all can see, man, that is catless straight pipe. So now let's listen to his, and he is also catless straight pipe. And that's underground tuning right there. But now let's get to the drifting. Alright, so YouTube, man, sadly, my tires have went completely doom, bruh. Yeah, boy, I did this all for y'all for this video, man. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, and yeah.